Hi everyone. My name is Tanya and I'm a fashion designer. I create and sell digital sewing patterns on Etsy. Let me show you what I have for you today. This is a true summer project inspired by the mood and carefree vibes of the season. As usual, everything started with a sketch on my iPad, a tiered ruffle dress. Take a look. I wanted to create something that feels effortlessly summery, trendy, and easy to make. This dress features a relaxed, feminine silhouette with soft gathered tiers and adjustable straps, making it perfect for everything from casual summer outings to special occasions. The soft, flowing layers move gracefully with every step, giving the garment a light and effortless feel. This is what we envisioned at the design stage, and this is the finished dress brought to life. For this style, I would choose lightweight woven fabrics such as cotton, linen, viscose, or rayon to create a soft, airy look that's perfect for summer. This pattern is available in one size. Thanks to its relaxed, loose-fitting design, it comfortably fits sizes XS, S, and M. Please check the size chart to determine whether it will fit you. If you wear one of these sizes, I'm confident this dress will look beautiful on you. This is a printable PDF sewing pattern available in my Etsy shop. The pattern comes in 3 print formats: A4 format, printed home on a standard printer; US letter format, also designed for home printing on a regular office printer; A0 format, a professional large format version that can be printed on a plotter. Colors can be completely up to you. Personally, I imagine this dress in pink, but take a look at these other versions. Yellow and black look beautiful as well. The final look will depend on your personal style, hair color, accessories, and fabric choice. This pattern is quite beginner-friendly. The relaxed, loose-fitting silhouette makes sizing much more forgiving, so it's difficult to make major fit mistakes. I think you'll really enjoy making and wearing this dress. One more color I would definitely consider is ivory, or a soft, creamy vanilla shade. I think it looks especially delicate, elegant, and feminine. Light neutral tones really highlight the soft, gathered details and flowing silhouette of this dress. The fabric consumption is relatively high because the dress features multiple gathered sections and layered tiers, which require a generous amount of fabric to create the desired volume and drape. You can purchase this pattern in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss new sewing patterns and upcoming projects. I'd love to hear what you think, so feel free to leave a comment below. In the meantime, I'm already working on another beautiful dress design that I'll be sharing with you soon. Stay tuned.